A good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the extra puzzles. The extra puzzles in the puzzle page, and the additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday. Monday, February the 26th, 2024. No, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. It's the additional and the puzzle page of the weekend edition. Weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, February the 24th, 25th, 2024. In this puzzle page, we have two puzzles left. The 3 stars, well, this should be a 2 stars Sudoku, and the binary. And we have also an additional with 3 puzzles left, so total of 5 extra puzzles. And the first puzzle I will do is this should be a 2 stars Sudoku. This one will be number 8078. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits, should be a 1 star. Yeah. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits, and for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it has 27 printed digits, should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star or a 3 stars puzzle. Actually, it's 2 stars. Alright, so let's get started. Let me zoom this. Alright. So let's get started. Let me see, we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left with 8, should be there. 8, 8, 8. Need 8 here. Need 8 there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. We have an 8 in that column, no 8 there, so the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit 1, number 8. Alright. How about the number 3, 3. Need a 5 here. Let me think. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the second column, so the third column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next on that column. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2, 2. Okay, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now, need to wait. How about 6, 5. 6, 7, and a 9. All right. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 4. We have a 6 and a 4 in this row, so no 6 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 6 and a 4 goes in, those 2 boxes disappear. 6 and 4, 6 and 4. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 4 goes there, so 2 numbers left. In this big square for the rest of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes and there. Alright. 2, 2. 3 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers in this row are numbers 2 and a 1. We have 2 and a 1 in this big square, so no 2 and a 1 in this box. 2 and 1 goes in those two boxes as appear in this row. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there, 3, 3. Need a 3 here also. Need a 3 here. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places are left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then. How about, neither one. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, and look, we have 1 and a 4 in this column. So no 1 and a 4 in this box. 1 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. 9 in this column. 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, the 6. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. 1 box left in the middle row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Then need a 6 here. Need a 2 here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 now in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in the last row, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Need a 5 here. 1, 4, 5. Okay. Need a 5 there. 9, 9, 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row. So the row between and the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright. Let me continue. 2 numbers left in the third column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 1 goes there. Need a 1 here, need a 1 there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left, the 5 should be there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Alright. Okay. Now, 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square. For number 1, 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, faster than 50 minutes. Should be a 0 stars. And faster than 14 or 30 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second puzzle, the binary puzzle. Yes, until then, bye-bye for now.